Good morning students. So today we will start chapter 12, speed, distance and time. So let us see why this chapter is important for us, because whenever we travel by bus, by car or by bike, we always see on the speedometer. On the speedometer it shows the speed, and we always look at our watch and see the time, at how much time it will take to reach our destination. So it is very important for us to know the calculation of speed, distance and time. Okay, so first we will see what is the formula of speed. So chapter 12, speed, distance and time. So first we will see the formula of speed. So speed is equal to, we know that, distance by time. So speed is equal to distance by time. From this we can get the formula of distance. So distance will be equal to speed into time, and time will be equal to distance by speed. So these are the three formulas which we will be using in this exercise. First one is speed is equal to distance by time. Next, distance is equal to speed into time, and time is equal to distance by speed. These three formula we will use. But now we have to understand what units are used for these three quantities. Okay, so now remember that if the distance is in kilometer and time is in hour, then the speed will be in, what is the unit of the speed? Speed will be in kilometer per hour. Clear? When the distance is in kilometer, time is in hour, then speed will be in kilometer per hour. Now if the distance is in meter, time is in second, then the speed will be in meter per second. Okay, when the distance is in meter, time is in second, then the speed will be in meter per second. Next, if the distance is in meter and time is in minute, then the speed will be in meter per minute. Meter per minute. Clear, students? So now we will see how to convert one unit to another. Okay, let us see that. So now we will solve exercise 12a, question number 1. So what is it saying? It's saying that convert 60 km per hour to meter per minute. So you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per minute. So what we will do? First we will write here that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to how much? It is equal to 1 kilometer by 1 hour. Remember that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 kilometer by 1 hour. So 1 kilometer means what? 1000. We have to convert kilometer to meter. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to how many minute? It is equal to 60 minute. Correct? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. We have just converted into hour to minute and kilometer to meter. So now we will solve this. So 0 0 will get cancelled, and 2 3s are 2 50s are. So it has come 50 by 3, or we can say 16 2 by 3 meter per minute. So we can say that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 16 2 by 3, or we will write like this only, 50 by 3 meter per minute. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 50 by 3 meter per minute. Now in the question it is given that convert 60 km per hour to meter per minute. So we will write here 60 km per hour is equal to 50 by 3 into 60 meter per minute, because 1 km per hour is equal to 50 by 3 meter per minute. So 60 km per hour is equal to 50 by 3 into 60 meter per minute. So it will get cancelled, 3 20 ja. So that is equal to 5 2 ja 10. So it will become 1000 meter per minute. So this is our answer. Isn't it very easy, students? Yes. Let us see the next one. Question number 1, next bit. So in bit 2 it is given that convert 70 km per hour to meter per second. So we have to convert 70 km per hour to meter per second. So what we will do? First we will convert 1 km per hour to meter per second. So we will write here that 1 km per hour is equal to how much? 1 km by 1 hour. And 1 km equal to how many meter? We know that it is 1000 meter. And 1 hour is equal to how many second? It is 1 hour is having 60 minute and each minute is having 60 second. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Correct? So now 0 0 will get cancelled and we have got how much? 10 by 36 meter per second. Or if we get cancelled, we will write, we will get 5 by 18 meter per second. 2 5s are 10 and 2 18s are. So we can say that 1 km per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay. So now in the question it is given that convert 70 km per hour to meter per second. So we will write here that 70 km per hour is equal to 5 by 18 into 70 meter per second. Clear? So now we will cancel it. So it will go by 2 9 ja and 2 35 ja. So it has come 5 into 35 by 9 meter per second. So now we will solve it. So 5 into 35, 5 5 is 25, remaining is 2 and 5 3 is 15, 775 by 9. So now we will convert it into mixed fraction. So 9 1 is 9, remaining is 8, 85, 9 9 is 81, remaining is 4. So 19 4 by 9 meter per second. This is our answer. So students, isn't it very simple to convert from one unit to another unit? Okay. Should we solve the next one? Okay. Let us see the next question. You can take a screenshot or note it in your copy now. Now in this question in bit 3 it is given that convert 20 meter per minute into kilometer per hour. So here we have to convert meter per minute to kilometer per hour. Okay. So now how to solve this? So first we will write that 1 meter per minute is equal to how much? 1 meter by 1 minute. Correct? Now 1 meter is equal to how many kilometers, students? So remember that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter will be equal to how much? 1 by 1000 kilometer. Remember that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So in place of 1 meter, what we can write? We can write 1 by 1000 kilometer by, now here 1 minute, we have to convert this minute to hour. So we will write here that 1 minute is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. So 1 minute will be equal to how much? 1 by 60 hour. Correct? 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. So 1 minute will be equal to 1 by 60 hour. So in place of 1 minute, what we will write here? We will write 1 by 60 hour. So now it has become 1 by 1000 and this 1 by 60 will become reciprocal, will become 60 by 1 and kilometer per hour it will become. So now 0 1 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So now it has and 2 3s and 2 50s. So it has come 3 by 50 kilometer per hour. This is our answer. Clear, students? Also we can convert this into decimal. So it will be 0.06 kilometer per hour. Okay? Is it clear? Let us go to the next bit. Now in the bit 4 we have to convert 25 meter per minute into meter per second. Here you see, students, that here also meter, here also meter, but here per minute, here per second. That means distance is same, meter meter, so no need to change any distance. We have to change only from minute to second. So what we will write here? We will write that 21 meter per minute is equal to 1 meter by 1 minute. Correct? Now 1 meter we will keep as it is, but 1 minute will make it 60 second, right? Because here meter is there, so we have not changed the meter, just we have changed the minute into second. Now so we have written that 1 by 60 meter per second. So now we have to convert 25 meter per minute. So we will write here 25 into 1 by 60 meter per second. Correct? See, 1 meter per minute is equal to 1 by 60 meter per second. So 25 meter per minute will be equal to 25 into 1 by 60 meter per second. So now it will get cancelled. So 5 5 ja and 5 12 ja. So it has become. So here we have got 5 by 12 meter per second. Is it clear, students? So now you can take the screenshot, and I hope you can solve the other 2 remaining bits of question number 1. Out of 6 bits, I have solved 4. You have to complete the remaining 2. Clear? So now let us solve question number 2. So first we will understand question number 2. What is it saying? So question number 2 is saying a man takes 2.5 hours to cover a certain distance at a speed of 5 km per hour by bicycle. Imagine that you are traveling to your school by bicycle, and when you travel by bicycle to the school, then it takes how much? It takes 2.5 hours, not school. Let us assume a particular place. You are going from one place to another place, and to travel that particular distance it needs 2.5 hours when you travel by bicycle at the speed of 5 km per hour. Okay, in the first case the boy travel by a bicycle, then it take 2.5 hours to reach the destination. Let us see the second case. In the second case it is saying how long will it take to cover the same distance by bike at a speed of 40 km per hour. That means in the case 2, now the boy is traveling with a bike. He has become rich now. Earlier he was little bit poor, so he was riding a bicycle, but now he understood that I should ride a bike to reach quickly. So now he took a bike and he reached there at the speed of 40 km per hour. So you have to find how long will it take. That means how much time will it take. Okay, so let us solve the question. Very interesting question. So first we will write here case 1. We will write here case 1. In case 1, what was the time taken? So time taken is equal to 2.5 hours. And what was the speed? Speed is equal to 5 km per hour. So students, please take care that the time and speed should have similar unit. Here you see time is having in hour and the speed is in kilometer per hour. That means both are compatible, both are in hours. We have to check that every time. Now time and speed is there. What you can find out by using time and speed? We can find out distance. Correct? So what is the formula of distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. We know that distance is equal to speed into time. So 2.5 into 5. So here the distance will be equal to how much? It will be 2.5 into 5, that is 12.5 kilometer. Now in the question it is given that in the case 2 same distance was travelled by bike. So in case 2 also the distance will be of the case 1. that is 12.5. So in case 2 you have written distance is equal to 12.5 kilometer. So now what you can write, distance, we know that the formula of time is equal to how much, distance by speed. So we have written distance is our 12.5 kilometer and speed is how much, 40 kilometer. So we will solve this now. So we will remove the decimal first. So 12.5 will be 125 by 10 and 40 will be 40 by 1. So it will get reciprocal. So 125 by 10 into 40 by 1 will become 1 by 40. Correct? So now it will get cancelled. So 5 2 ja 10, remaining is 2. So 5 5 ja and 5 8 ja. So it has become how much, 25 by 10 into 8 r. Remember it is in r because kilometer per hour and kilometer is there. So time will be in r. So we will convert this into minute because it is coming in fraction. So we will convert this into minute. How we will convert this into minute? So 25 by 10 into 8 into 60 minute. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. So we will multiply it by 60. So it will be how much? 10 6 ja, then 2 3 ja and 2 4 ja. So it has come how much? 75 by 4. So that is equal to 18 4 ja 72. So 18 3 by 4 minute. This is our answer. Clear students? I hope you understood. Okay, then we will go to the next question.